Hi and welcome to Embedded World 2014 here on the SYSGO booth, where we're showing a demonstration from a good customer of ours at Continental. So Continental here have a demo of their interior domain integration, whereby they see the car of the future in terms of integrating the many functions within a vehicle. In automotive, we see more and more of a connected vehicle environment, whereby maybe the instrumentation clusters and the braking systems and all of the engine management systems, which traditionally have run on bespoke processors, have been integrated into the infotainment systems in vehicles, whereby your family and children utilising functions in the rear of the vehicle or in the passenger side are actually being run by the same hardware that's running the actual software within the vehicle. So in this demonstration, we have an instrumentation cluster which is driving our traditional information in terms of speeds, miles per hour, miles per gallon, that type of information which we traditionally expect, running on the same piece of hardware as we have the infotainment system. So in this demonstration, Continental are showing their OIP environments with some applications which they expect are traditional in a vehicle. So as an example, we have an audio player whereby we're driving the music in the car. So this is being run by the very same hardware that's driving the AutoSAR stack, which is running the instrumentation cluster. So I think you can see the power of being able to use an integrated environment with a huge cost reduction, because the hardware that's being driven by this is from a single board. So in this diagram you can see the multiple cores that we're utilising from the ARM processor, and each of those cores have a function within that software. So you can see from the colour coding, the green core is being used to drive the Android. The two red cores here, cores 2 and 3, are used for the Geneva, the OIP software, driving this environment. And core 1 is used to drive the AutoSAR stack, and notionally some security software. In this demonstration, it has the ability to be able to host some security software on top of a POSIX profile. That in a vehicle, that may be some sensitive data which you require in the vehicle, but you don't want to be shared between other software that's running in that vehicle. PikeOS has the ability to dictate where the software runs and on which core. We have the world's first multi-core certification, so we're the only company in the industry to be able to certify software to run in a multi-core environment, but also receive SIL 4 level certification. Utilising that functionality of PikeOS with Continental's vehicle requirements, they complement each other very well. So you can see from this demonstration that using PikeOS with the ARM hardware, with Continental's applications, we can really show an application for a future vehicle. Some of our other demonstrations also utilise other processors. So in this example, we're using the IMX6 on a Freescale environment. On our other demonstration, we're showing the A15 core, which is using hardware virtualization. So also the performance that we can receive from running Android on a hypervisor is near native performance with running Android purely on the bare hardware. So performance now, traditionally by utilising a hypervisor, you may have some performance hit of doing that. There's clear value from a safety and security, but the performance hit sometimes may affect your software operation. Now with PikeOS utilising hardware virtualisation, we see no performance hit of utilising a safe and secure platform. So hopefully that has been useful from a demonstration of an automotive application. Here at SYSGO, this is just one of our markets. We have very many more markets, whether it be rail, transportation system, avionics. The same software, the same code base that we're using here to show this demonstration on automotive is used in those other markets. So you can leverage what's happening in those various markets. And indeed, the multi-core certification we have in the rail industry is being leveraged here in the automotive display.